Hello everyone. Reorder sale module will help in reordering the previous order again. Once this module is installed, there will be a tab named Order History on the contact form. So for that, let's get into the contacts where you can see these are the contacts that we have created. So let's get into one of the contact here. In this contact form page, for this customer, user can see an order history under the order history menu where you can see all the orders that we have made for this customer. Here in this tab you can see order reference, order date, customer, and also there would be a smart button named reorder. Once you click on that button, it will duplicate the same sale order will be generated and the user can confirm the order whenever they need. And also they can create an invoice from there. And this is the order that we have placed now where we can see all the information about the order. In this way, we can make use of this module to reordering the previous order again. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and sales related modules, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated sales features that we have. Thanks for watching.